Today we're in Dubuque, Iowa, where Durable Restoration was called in to do a huge restoration job on Steeple Square, formerly known as St. Mary's Church. Standing at 250 feet, Steeple Square is one of the tallest churches in Iowa. Durable Restoration handled the steeple's complete metal restoration, which required more than 25,000 pounds of copper to create hundreds of flat-lock panels. The steeple was originally clad in steel flat-lock panels with carved wooden decorative elements. Durable Restoration recreated it all with copper because the steel rusts and the wood rots. And now that it is all copper, it's maintenance-free and it will last a lot longer. The old wooden elements were reproduced in 20-ounce copper by Chicago Metal. Durable Restoration installed them along with 20-ounce copper flat lock cleated in with stainless steel screws. They incorporated internal lightning protection and lighting into the decorative elements so that the steeple would be protected and lit up at night. Durable Restoration gold leafed the new copper cross with 23.7 karat gold. This project was unusual because they had to replace the wooden elements, which varied in angle and width due to each face of the steeple being uniquely different. The original carpenters had an advantage in that the individual wood pieces could be easily cut and trimmed to fit, whereas the new copper pieces could not. Durable worked extensively with the architect to provide solutions that were aesthetically pleasing and watertight. Once the Durable team was finished, they left a beautiful aesthetic building which shines on Iowa and enhances the beauty of the area. Stay tuned for more projects to come. If you want to hire the Durable team, please visit them at the website on the screen or call them at 877-340-9181.